I spent $120 on Canva Pro, so you don't have to make the same mistake. Before you click away thinking this is just another sponsored review, stick around because I'm about to give you the brutally honest truth about Canva Pro's free trial. And hey, if you want to try it yourself, I've got a special discount link in the description below that'll save you some cash. So here's the thing about Canva Pro. The free version is actually pretty decent. You get basic templates, some photos, and enough tools to make your Instagram posts look semi-professional. But then Canva starts teasing you with those premium templates that have little crown icons. It's like window shopping at a store you can't afford. The Pro version gives you access to over 100 million premium photos and videos, which sounds impressive until you realize you'll probably use the same 20 photos over and over again. You also get the background remover tool, which I'll admit is pretty magical. One click and boom, your awkward family photo becomes a professional headshot. But here's where it gets interesting. The brand kit feature is actually a game changer if you're running a business. You can save your colors, fonts, and logos, and Canva will automatically suggest them. It's like having a design assistant who actually remembers your preferences. The real question is, do you need all this for $120 a year? If you're creating content regularly, and the free version feels limiting, then yes, it's worth it. But if you're just making the occasional birthday card, stick with free. Don't forget to check out that discount link below if you decide to take the plunge.